Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to gift games on Steam. First, add the game you want to gift to your cart on the Steam store. Then, click on View My Cart in the top right corner to go to your shopping cart. After that, you'll see the game listed. Look underneath the game title and click on the drop-down box. Now, select This is a Gift from the drop-down options to enable gift mode. Furthermore, on the right side of the screen, click the blue Continue to Gift Options button. And then, click on Select a Gift Recipient to choose who will receive the game. Additionally, a list of your Steam friends will appear. Select the friend you want to send the game to from this list. After selecting your recipient, click the Continue to Payment button on the right side. Now, proceed to purchase the game by choosing your preferred payment method and completing the transaction. Furthermore, once payment is confirmed, your friend will receive the gifted game directly in their Steam library with a notification. And that's it! Gifting games on Steam is perfect for surprising friends with new titles or sharing multiplayer games you want to play together. Let me know in the comments which game you're planning to gift.